If you're already a licensed RN in another state and want to practice in California, you'll need to apply for license endorsement. The process is mainly done online, and it's recommended that you don't submit a paper application if you've already applied once. That can actually slow things down. Start by going to the official website for the California Board of Registered Nursing. From there, you'll need to create a Breeze account if you haven't already. This account is where you'll manage your application and upload your documents. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Start a new application or take an exam and choose RN Endorsement from the drop-down. This will take you to the full application. You'll go through several pages. Just follow each screen carefully. Before you submit, the system will give you the option to upload documents. Try to attach everything you can up front. This includes things like your license verification, transcripts, and anything else required. The more complete your application is, the less likely you'll get delayed by back-and-forth emails or deficiency notices. Now, if you've had discipline on another healthcare license before, be sure to include a signed letter explaining the situation, plus any supporting documents like court records or recommendation letters. All of these can be uploaded right with your application. Once everything's ready, pay the fee using a credit card. The fee amount will be shown at checkout, and once it's paid, your application will be submitted for review. If you need step-by-step help while filling out the application, there's a screen-by-screen guide available on the same site. That's it. After applying, keep an eye on your Breeze account for updates. It's the easiest way to track your status and respond to any follow-up requests from the board.